All right, guys, so listen, it's been a long time. I feel like I haven't seen y'all in forever, but I'm back, and today we have a light and healthy recipe for the summertime. I'm gonna make a tropical shrimp bowl. We're gonna put it in a pineapple. It's gonna be fresh, vibrant, and delicious. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're using a lot of vibrant fresh vegetables, so we want to keep the texture. That means that we're going to use minimal heat, and not all the vegetables are going to be warmed. Now, you can find the full list of ingredients in the caption, but I want you to go off of what you like. To me, a recipe should only be a guide, like a roadmap. There are many directions to get to the same results. Now, to keep this recipe light, fresh, and vibrant, I'm going to boil my shrimp instead of searing them. Mind you, they're boiling in highly seasoned water. Since this is a warm dish, and to add a little extra flair, I add a little heat to the hollowed out pineapple. Save the juices of the hollowed out pineapple for your salad. Now, I want minimal heat to my onions and peppers. I'm not trying to cook them. After I add in the shrimp, I'll add my pineapple and some chili lime seasoning, along with some red pepper flakes for spice. Now, for my salad, I do just a blend of chopped vegetables, carrots, a little vinaigrette, and that fresh pineapple. Once I pull my skillet, I'm gonna add the tomatoes and cucumbers, and it's time to plate up. For your starch, you can use quinoa, brown rice, but here I used jasmine rice. You can literally eat as much of this as you want and feel guilt-free and light. Thanks for watching.